In this problem, we're given the equation 9x squared minus 25 is equal to bx plus c multiplied by bx minus c. What we're trying to find is the value of b. Well, hopefully you should be able to take a quick look at 9x squared minus 25 and realize that this is an example of a difference of squares, which means we can factor this quite easily. Remember, difference of squares means that if we have something like a squared minus b squared, the factored form of it is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So with that in mind, the factored form of 9x squared minus 25 is going to be, well, our first term here in each set of brackets is going to be 3x, and that's because that's 9x squared square rooted. So I'll have a 3x there. And then the second term that will both be adding and subtracting would be the square root of 25, which is 5. So we now have what we were looking for, this format of bx plus c and bx minus c. So clearly, c has a value of 5, and b has a value of 3. So that means B is our correct answer. Now, if you're curious and if you're not familiar with difference of squares, another way we could have gotten to the answer would be to actually work the other way around and expand these two binomials being multiplied together. If we were to do that, we would get b squared x squared as our first term. Then we would have plus bcx minus bcx minus c squared. So those middle terms would cancel out, and we'd have b squared x squared minus c squared. Now, if we wanted that to equal 9x squared minus 25, that means that this b squared has to equal 9. So from that, you could also gather that b would have to equal to 3 because 3 squared is 9. So kind of a different way you could also get to the same answer. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks for choosing JD's Prep.